Hi there, I've come to Chor. This is Chor, or Mae Wang National Park Reservoir. It's a lovely afternoon. I mean, here we are just after New Year. It feels just like a Sunday afternoon. You know, not a lot of traffic around here, and you know, it's just like lazy Sunday afternoon. I brought a Moka pot with me, and I thought I'd have a cup of coffee out here in the park, brew my own coffee. I'm absolutely amazed. I've driven up here, and not only is there a lovely little feature here, a little roundabout beautification in the car park area here, but there's also a coffee shop, and it's called Moka Pot Coffee. How about that? I can't believe it. I'm really thrilled, actually. So I'm going to have a coffee here with these people at Mocha Coffee here in the park in Mae Wang. Yisip ha. Very good. Ao ka. Ao nung tea cup. Mocha ron cup. Gua glan, glua kem, lu benalai cup. Gua kem. Di jang le. Chop. โอ้กัวเค็มดีกว่าชอบกัวเค็มครับโอ้ขอบคุณครับชื่อขอบคุณครับน้ำตาลไหมครับโอ้ไม่เอาครับไม่เอาปากวันแล้วครับ Oh no! Well, the view from here is absolutely beautiful. The ambience of this coffee shop is wonderful. You couldn't ask for a better opportunity just to sit and relax for 25 baht. Oh, how lovely. Go on, sing some more. Sing some more. Wow, Laughingthrush. You've got to be precise about what you're asking for, because mocha in many, means many things. Mocha is the mocha pot. They're making coffee using a mocha pot. But because I asked for a mocha pot coffee, they gave me a mocha, which has got chocolate in it. But never mind, it was very tasty, very nice. I enjoy my coffee. I'm going to take a flyover. Now, I'm just absolutely fascinated at those tree pie over there. A tree pie, I think it's a Rufous Treepie. Grey head, brown body, long tail. Fabulous. And now there's some barbets struck up in the background.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
reservoir is, as you've seen from this overhead flight, a very beautiful one. The view you can see here is free. The forest, the mountains, the water, all you got to do is just drive up. You can actually turn left into Chor entrance there and spend some money, pay the fee to enter the park and also enter Chor. But here, when you come to this reservoir, it's free. You don't pay any money. So it's a delight. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining on this one, and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care now. Bye-bye.